Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the new Brunswick village. We are on Brunswick Avenue and we're turning into the development now. Very nicely done. Sagicor hit a home run with this one. They missed with the Millennium Mall in Maypen, but they hit a home run with this one. On the left, that's actually their branch, Sagicor Bank branch. And at the front when we were driving in is Island Grill. And Island Grill had a record sales for the opening of that location. No other location that they opened did as well as this one. So this development, it's a mixed use. We're driving through the commercial section now where you have shops. And then at the back is the residential section. We're going to tour that also. Very nicely done. And Sagicor says 30% of the units are sold and another, I think 50% are leased. Sagicor Pensions Fund, I think, bought 50% of the units and then turned around and rented them out to customers. So they didn't have to buy them. But like Island Grill and the warehouse around the back, some stores bought their location outright, so they own it. Alright, so we're going to go through an article. It's actually of the Prime Minister opening at the opening ceremony for this facility. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, is hailing the multi-billion-dollar investment by Sagicor Group in the New Brunswick village in Spanish Town as a signal of confidence in the economy. Delivering the keynote address at the official opening of the $6 billion mixed-use residential and commercial development, Mr. Holness said persons who have capital to invest are realizing that they can do business in Jamaica and they can take risks. When your economy is doing well, people choose Jamaica and make a choice to invest. And you can see many more investments like this coming into areas like Spanish Town, he said. New Brunswick Village, located on Brunswick Avenue, is set to revitalize the Spanish Town community, providing real estate solutions for businesses and middle-income families. The blend of commercial and residential spaces includes 70 apartment units and 19 townhomes, and 40 commercial units accommodating businesses such as Island Grill and R.A. Williams Distributors Limited. The area is poised to become Jamaica's most vibrant neighborhood for living and doing business. I am certain that properties along this stretch and the environs are now going to take a second look at Spanish Town in the same way that they are looking at St. Thomas, as they see the roads, water, internet, the development of the urban center, and they are putting their resources there, the Prime Minister noted. Mr. Holness said that he anticipates that developers and financing companies will be showing increased interest in communities like Brunswick Avenue, Ensom City, Greendale, and Hampton Green. These are communities with fairly good infrastructure, he said, noting that the areas have roads, water, and sewage systems. What is needed is for an investor to come and buy up the properties and develop them, the Prime Minister said. That's the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about this development. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.